Let's start with the equation 6x plus 3 equals 9. We want to solve for x, and to do this, we'll follow two steps. The first step is going to be to get the x term by itself. To do that, we'll subtract 3 from the left-hand side, and we'll also subtract 3 from the right-hand side. So on the left-hand side, that leaves us with 6x, and on the right-hand side, that leaves us with 9 minus 3, which is 6. Now the second step is we want to get x by itself. To do that, we need to divide by 6. So we did that on the left-hand side, now we have to do it on the right-hand side. So on the left-hand side we're left with x, and on the right-hand side we're left with 6 divided by 6, which is 1. So our answer is x equals 1. Now let's look at 15 equals 7x plus 1. Again, we'll follow the two steps that we used in the last one. The first step is to get the x term by itself, so we'll subtract 1 from the right side. Now we need to subtract 1 from the left-hand side as well. So on the right, that's going to leave us with 7x, and on the left, that'll leave us with 15 minus 1, which is 14. Now we want to get x by itself, and so what we need to do is divide by 7. On the right-hand side, that leaves us with x, and on the left, that leaves us with 2. So 2 is our final answer. Now let's look at 1/3 x minus 5/3 equals 0. Again, the first step is to get the x term by itself, so we'll add 5/3 to both sides. On the left, that's going to cancel, and so that leaves us with 1/3 x equals, well, we'll take 0 plus 5/3. So on the right we have 5/3. Now for step 2 we want to get rid of the 1/3 multiplying x. To do that we need to multiply it by 3. Since we did that to the left hand side, we'll do it to the right hand side as well. So that leaves us with x on the left side, and then 5/3 times 3, which is 5. So x equals 5 is our final answer. Finally, let's look at 11x minus 9 equals 24. Our first step is to get 11x by itself, so we'll add 9 to both sides. On the left, the 9's are going to cancel, so that leaves us with 11x, and on the right we have 24 plus 9, which is 33. Now we want to get x by itself, and so we'll divide by 11. Since we did that to the left-hand side, we need to do it to the right-hand side. So on the left, that leaves us with x, and on the right we have 33 divided by 11, which is 3.